Alright, today we're going to be upgrading the Axial SCX30. We're going to be upgrading the wheels, brass skid plate, suspension, some tires. Alright, first we'll break it down. Alright, we're going to be putting on the brass skid plate. There is several screws we gotta take out here. There's one, it's hard to see in this light. Here, 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 on both sides. And we'll get to it. Once this is all released here, see this pop out on both sides. Okay. Then we're gonna have these 4 screws on top. And hopefully that releases that. Now that we have this all loose, we can take these guys off. So the shorter piece will go on the right. So shorter one on the right side. Now we'll put the drive shaft in. That fell out when we were taking it apart. So it's back in there. See these 2 clips. Clip it in. Flip it over. Get all the wires out of the way. So you see this notch here. Or this metal plate that's poking out, it's gonna have clearance here for the notch, so that's how you know which direction this will go in. So again, front headlights, notches on the left, and it fits right back in. Screw these back in. Don't over tighten. All right, that's back in. Now let's get these pieces screwed back in. Line it up. gonna do the suspension, and we're gonna upgrade the tires and the wheels. So first we'll use a tool that came with it. Take the wheels off. These old ones don't seem to have much travel, so let's upgrade them. So this tool came with the truck, and then bottom, open up the new ones. Comes with that. Hardware, springs, you'll pop the bottom part on the stock piece there, and then this will be able to screw in with this long screw that's supplied. I'm going back in the stock position. You can change it to different angles. I'm not gonna play around with that right now. Maybe that's something in the future. All right, we're gonna take this back shock off, unscrew here, or unscrew here. And this piece, we'll call it a bushing. And then we got a couple rubber gaskets to put on either side of it. What I found works is I take this little screwdriver, put the gasket on top of it, like so. And then stick it in the hole and roll it on. There. It's the easiest way I found to put them on. Then on the top, you'll put this back on here, and then repeat with the bushing. All right, now I'll put the bottom, snap it back on here. So as you can see, decent amount more height on the new shocks, more travel. Now let's change out the last side. Okay, now we're going to do the Injora precision wheels. They're brass weighted. I also got some upgraded tires. All links for everything I'm putting on are going to be in the description. Tires come foam inserts. The easiest way I found to do it is line this brass hub in the middle, holes up, lay this outer rim over the holes. All right, all of them are on. Definitely an upgrade. Definitely have some more weight to them. Get in there first and then start it. Tighten it up. Not too tight. It's kind of easier to put it on this way. And that slot fits on us. There's a slot right here. And this locks on that. Lesson learned. I put this in backwards. So let's flip it around.